to add the editing blocks or widgets on your Thank You page. First, click on the Add App Block button in the top right corner. You will see two options. Click on Thank You page and you will be redirected to the Thank You page. Then, under Block Actions, go to Order Editing and click on the plus button. Next, click on Thank You to add the widget. The Order Editing widget will now appear on your Thank You page. You can also change the location of the widget. Once done, go to the top and click the Save button to apply your changes. And that's it.